everyone, today we are doing an unboxing of Outhouse products. Let's get started. First up, Outhouse toilet seal cap with conditioner. Nice handle. When storing your RV for the winter, this product will help lubricate and condition the toilet seal through the winter. If you are experiencing a leaky toilet seal, this is what you need. Restores and maintains the toilet seal. This particular one is for a ball valve. If you have a flat valve and you experience a leak in the seal, this will restore and maintain the toilet seal as well. Another awesome product of theirs is the finger sanitizers. Great if you're cooking or touching things and you just need a fast clean of just one or two fingers. There you go. You can go ahead and hang that one around your neck while you're doing some work or cooking. Pop it open and off you go. With our next product here, this takes care of two problems. This will help deodorize and lubricates the toilet seals with an awesome fragrance. You got citrus spice and citrus. Smell blocker, RV and marine friendly. Toilet spray never smelled so lovely. I love that. We also received 4 refill bottles. We'd like to thank our friends over at Pure Essence for sending us their complete lineup. Their Outhouse products. Can't wait to try them. I'll have links below. Until next time, happy trails.